I'm pleased to share some unusual and highly effective tips that go beyond the standard maintenance advice of car mechanics. These insights are often known only to top mechanics and can significantly improve your vehicle's performance, longevity, and efficiency. 1. Engine oil flushing with automatic transmission fluid (ATF). Before an oil change, add a quart of ATF to your engine oil and run the engine for about 5 to 10 minutes. This technique helps clean out sludge and deposits more effectively than regular oil. The detergents in ATF are excellent at breaking down built-up gunk. Just remember to drain this mixture completely before adding fresh oil. 2. Seafoam treatment for fuel system cleaning. Seafoam is a powerful fuel system cleaner that can work miracles for your engine. Add it to your fuel tank and run it through your engine. For a more deep cleaning, you can also introduce it directly into the intake manifold. This process helps clean fuel injectors, remove carbon deposits, and improve overall engine performance. 3. Using dielectric grease on electrical connections. Apply dielectric grease to electrical connections, especially in areas prone to moisture. This prevents corrosion and ensures better conductivity. It's particularly useful for headlight connections, battery terminals, and spark plug boots. 4. Isopropyl alcohol for cleaning brake rotors. Before installing new brake pads, clean your rotors with isopropyl alcohol. This removes any oils or residues that could affect brake performance. It ensures better contact between the pads and rotors, leading to more effective braking. 5. Lithium grease for weather stripping. Apply a thin layer of lithium grease to your car's weather stripping. This prevents the rubber from drying out and cracking, especially in extreme temperatures. It also helps reduce wind noise and improves the seal around doors and windows. 6. Using a paintbrush for air vents cleaning. Clean your car's air vents using a small paintbrush. Spray a little interior cleaner on the brush and gently clean the vents. This method reaches areas that are often missed during regular cleaning. 7. Ceramic coating for long-lasting paint protection. Apply a ceramic coating to your car's paint. This provides superior protection compared to traditional waxes or sealants. It creates a hydrophobic surface that repels water, dirt, and UV rays, keeping your car's paint looking new for years. 8. Fuel system cleaning with Chevron Techron. Use Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner periodically. This product is highly regarded among mechanics for its ability to clean fuel injectors, carburetors, and intake valves. It helps restore lost power and improve fuel economy. 9. Using a battery desulfator. Invest in a battery desulfator. This device can extend the life of your car battery by breaking down sulfation buildup on the battery plates. Regular use can significantly increase battery life and performance. 10. Transmission fluid exchange instead of flush. When servicing your transmission, opt for a fluid exchange rather than a flush. A flush can dislodge debris that may clog passages or damage components. An exchange gradually replaces old fluid with new, which is gentler on the transmission. 11. Using brake clean for multipurpose cleaning. Brake cleaner is not just for brakes. It's an excellent degreaser and cleaner for many parts under the hood. Use it to clean sensors, electrical connections, and other hard-to-reach areas. 12. Nitrogen tire inflation. Consider filling your tires with nitrogen instead of regular air. Nitrogen molecules are larger and less likely to seep through tire walls, maintaining proper tire pressure for longer. This can improve fuel efficiency and tire life. 13. Using a voltmeter for parasitic draw detection. To find electrical issues causing battery drain, use a voltmeter to check for parasitic draw. This can help identify components that are drawing power when they shouldn't be, saving you from frequent battery replacements. 14. Cleaning MAF sensor with electronics cleaner. Clean your mass airflow (MAF) sensor with specialized electronics cleaner. A dirty MAF sensor can cause poor fuel economy and performance issues. Regular cleaning can significantly improve engine performance. 15. Using plastic bags for diagnostics. When diagnosing a vacuum leak, use plastic bags to cover suspected areas. This can help you pinpoint the exact location of a leak by observing changes in engine idle. 16. Throttle body cleaning with carb cleaner. Clean your throttle body regularly with carburetor cleaner. A clean throttle body ensures smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Be sure to use the appropriate cleaner and follow the manufacturer's recommendations. 7 maintenance tips to make your car last longer. 1. Drive regularly. Experts recommend driving your car across town at least once per week, even if it's not used frequently. This helps maintain tires, batteries, fluids, seals, and gaskets. 2. Wash your car frequently. Regular washing and waxing every few weeks can extend the life of your car's paint and frame by preventing rust and corrosion. 3. Park inside your garage. This reduces exposure to the environment, preserving the paint finish and plastic components. 6. Change your cabin air filter. Replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or sooner if you notice issues with airflow or musty smells. 8. Use your parking brake. Activate the parking brake before shifting into park to reduce stress on the transmission's parking pawl. These unique tips go beyond standard maintenance practices and can significantly improve your car's performance, longevity, and efficiency. Remember, while these techniques are effective, always consult your vehicle's manual and, when in doubt, seek professional assistance. Regular maintenance combined with these expert tips will keep your car running at its best for years to come. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.